Alright, so I've been doing a ton of research on action in 360 cameras, and I'm really excited to use this camera for vlogs. I'm hoping to use this more for B-roll footage, but I'll need to test it out to see how the footage will blend in with my workflow. Alright, let's see what's inside the box. Okay, so it looks like we have the case right here, and there's nothing else, so I guess everything is already packed inside the case nicely. Let's open it up. I actually bought this bundle from the Apple Store, and it includes the case, a silicone lens cover, selfie stick, extra battery, SD card, and more. Wow, okay, this is pretty sleek. This is the selfie stick right here, and it extends out just like that. Over here we have the battery case, and let's go ahead and open that up. I think this should also have the SD card in it, and it looks like it's missing the SD card in the slot, but here's the battery, the extra battery. Looks like in this pouch we have another carrying case for the 360 camera here. We can open that later. Okay, it looks like the memory card is here, so we do have the memory card, thank God. Not gonna lie, I was a little concerned that it was missing. USB-A to USB-C charging cable. And it looks like that's it. So let's go ahead and finally open up this camera. It has a silicone cover right on the lens right now. Build quality on this camera is actually super nice. It's very sturdy and it feels really nice. Silicone covers also fit pretty snugly, so you have to wiggle it around to get it out. And whoa, here is the camera. I was low-key expecting the lenses to be a little bit bigger because of all the videos that I've seen, but it's a good size. That's my quick unboxing of the Insta360 X3, and now I'm so excited to finally go out and use this.